Today's review is sponsored by JG Engineering Supplies. Check them out on jgengineering.ie. Use discount code NEXTGEAR10 for 10% off your next order.
Monitoring networks.
The one you read about a lot is the Yellowstone volcano, which is a super volcano, which is...
Not switched off. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Ja matkatavaranne on selvitetty perille saakka. Ne siirtyvät automaattisesti seuraavalle lennolle ja voitte siirtyä suoraan lähtöportille.
Sit rep. I'm driving along a road, it's frozen, it's minus 1.5 degrees outside, it's completely frozen road. I have spiky tyres, which makes it a lot easier to drive. The insane police up here like to fine you €3,000 for driving too fast, so I'm keeping to the exact speed limit. No active cruise control, I'm not turned on because it's useless up here, it doesn't work. But it's beautiful. It's like a picture postcard. I think it's going to dump with snow very soon. It's very black out there, but a beautiful morning. We're on our way to a lake to drive these cars across a frozen area, along with Kodiaq, Kodiaq, Octavia Scout, superb, and we're going to drive on a rally track as well. Difference that made. That's something else. Right, update. This is Mark, he's from Skoda, Ireland. He's not at all nervous. We're going to drift a Kodiaq, okay? Alright? Yeah, right, good. We're going out now. Right. We're going to learn a Scandinavian drift in Finland. But anyway, here we go. No, she ain't going. Does not like that at all. Here we go.
Oh, there we
now
go.
We're talking. Come on, turn in. 4x4. Come on. The power is making it drift around. This is a Kodiaq, so you can buy this in your local dealership, right? Just in case you're wondering, you can buy this Kodiaq. Just doesn't want to go around that corner for me. I'm not used to this Scandinavian stuff at all. Maybe if I do a little left foot braking on it, do that a little bit left. Now we're talking. Here we go.
That feels surreal in the Kodiaq.
It doesn't it? Yeah, for a Kodiaq to do that kind of drift. Oh, we're going for the hedge. Yeah, she drifts. It's amazing that, like, this is a 7-seat car. You can go down to, your local Skoda dealership and just order this car. It's just an ordinary 4x4 version of the same car.
Taxi trick course to show you what the car can do in terms of a little bit sideways driving.
Bit of sideways driving through a forest
Yes.
with an ex-Formula 1 driver. Yeah, that sounds like fun. And DTM, do you do DTM as well?
Yeah, DTM, yes, and then sports cars with Porsche, Le Mans, and all these things. You know.
To each guy,
Right.
I tell you, that's
So I better sit properly in the seat then.
Here we go.
Ooh, okay. Little different from Formula One, I take it.
A little bit. It's not so much grip, you know.
Yeah, there's more grip in a Formula One.
Yeah. But having more grip doesn't mean having more fun, you know.
No. Look at this track; it's so narrow.
Yeah, that's good. See, it's a nice control between steering wheel and throttle, you know.
Yeah.
Then you can do quite a lot.
No brake.
No. We will have places to brake, like here, for example.
But only in straight lines, yeah.
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 But this is kind of a dogleg corner here, you know.
Hope my viewers are learning from this. Formula One driver, DTM driver.
Yes,
rally.
I mean, yeah, it's
Look at
good
this.
for the car control, you know.
Whoa. We are properly sideways on the smallest. This is a Skoda Octavia RS, by the way. This is a car you can buy in a dealership. Amazing control you have over the car.
That's amazing what this electronic all-wheel drive can do, you know.
Yeah. Whoa, up the hill and round the corner at the same time. That's amazing.
It's very enjoyable, you know.
Yeah. Your skill with the control of the car. I mean, you've
Yeah.
got an amazing control
Yeah.
over how...
Okay, I must say, you know, I do live in Austria, and we have quite some similar roads to this. And you can believe me, when I reach my home, it's quite up on the mountain. The first thing is on the bottom, switch everything off as much as you can, and then go sideways. I can't go straight. That's my problem, you know. Sometimes my wife says, "Honey, you know, we had dinner. Maybe this time you not do it." Impossible. Then you have to walk, you know. But sometimes I do it because, you know, the rule to live is like happy wife, happy life, you know.
I love that expression. That's a good expression. Happy life, happy wife.
No, that's good fun, you know.
But even just that this is a road, I mean, cars have moved on. There's
Yes,
a time
yes.
where cars couldn't have done what's doing
Yeah.
now. This kind of standard slide and drive thing through a forest. So anybody who doesn't think about Skoda when it comes to 4x4 ought to just sit in this track for a couple of minutes and think about 4x4 and think about what this car is doing.
And it looks so easy, and it is easy, because also with the systems everywhere we have still, the rest system is active, you know. So it stops us from really having a big spin, you know.
Yeah.
But use all the maximum with this system. It's a lot of fun to drive still, you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Because even the drift circle, we've done the drift already, which is, it's amazing to see
Yeah.
a Kodiaq drift.
Yeah, that's right. Which is a lot heavier even
Yeah.
than this one, you know.
And I see by your steering angles that less is more on ice.
Absolutely, yes. It's a combination of steering wheel move and throttle move, you know.
Yeah.
You can handle a lot with the throttle, you know.
So you're just kind of vaguely pointing the car and then
Yeah.
throttle towards that
Yeah,
point.
exactly.
Okay. That's slightly different from tarmac. And for the viewers, you can see how little steering input is going on versus the corner that's actually there. There's very little. The power is coming from the wheels, and it's. Honest to God, I could drink a cup of coffee here now. It's very. You're very smooth. The corners.
Yeah, but you have to be smooth, you know, because this multiple clutch here also senses from the steering wheel action and throttle action, you know. So if you do it smooth, it reacts smoother, you know.
Yeah.
And then you can sort of doing a softer drift, you know.
It's beautiful.
So,
What a beautiful way of watching drift dudes.
believe me, every single lap is fun. Otherwise I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, it's true, yeah. You can do this at home.
Yeah, sure. I hope you enjoyed it.
That was an amazing drive. Like if you're with anybody else, someone without experience, and you're going down that, you'd be scared.
Yeah, because the trees are pretty close. Yeah, that's right.
Because even a snowbank's on either side is like, whoa, we're very close to that. That was brilliant. Thank you very much. You're very good.
You can...
Subscribe for part 2, where I try not to kill myself in a Skoda Kodiaq on the ice. And until the next time, I will see you on the far side. Today's review is sponsored by JG Engineering Supplies. Check them out on jgengineering.ie. Use discount code NEXTGEAR10 for 10% off your next order.